Just wanted to share with you a quick video regarding our screw-on roll-around hinges. They have backing plates which are 6mm, and the backing plates line up exactly, including the actual center line of the screws. So that means if you wanted to put them on, all you have to do is plumb the screw line, the screw holes at the right height, or plumb the external edges straight up. If you make those plumb and your gate square, your gate should be set on the hinge and should be level. Okay, these hinges can be screwed to timber, steel, whatever it is you want. I've just mocked up a post here. This particular post is steel, represents say a shed or something like that. All you have to do is work out how close you want them in and out, okay, and what height you want them off the ground. Okay, I put some screw holes in here already using series 500 screws. So once you've marked it with your texter where it's got to go, or your plumb line, you put it in the right height, put your screws in, done. Okay, so if you've already plumbed it up or come in what the distance is off the side of your post, as I said, on a shed or whatever it is that you want, okay, all you've got to do is screw it straight to it like that. Okay, or you could do it another way. The other way you could do it is by grab the gate. Right, so what we're doing is we're basically putting our hinge directly onto our gate, our roll around hinge. So what we then do is we then put it on the gudgeon, bottom. Okay, we can then plumb it, level it, alright, use the level on it, to the side, and then once we get it in the right position, where we want it, we can just put a texture mark in place. Alright. Take the gate off again, take our gate off, take our hinge off. Right, it's all ready to go. We then screw our top roll around hinge in place. Right, we've done that. Because it's a roll around hinge, basically we put it in place on top of the gate, on top of the gudgeon, and then all we then do is close it onto itself and then use our bolt to lock it off, and there you have it. As I said, it can be RHS, it can be timber, it could be whatever you want it to be, basically. Now, this works exactly the same with your bolt-on ones, so with your larger holes, but in saying that, you can also drill these ones out and use the screws as the pilot holes. So if you wanted to only use, say, 3/8 bolts, you could do that by using that hole as a pilot hole and just drilling the holes a little bit wider. So as you can see, it's as easy as that. Done.